A merchandiser vacancy is available. Location Abu Dhabi. Availability immediate joiners only. If you are on visit visa or cancel visa, you are looking for job, you have previous experience, home country experience or UAE experience, you can apply for this job. This salary is 3000, duration 1 year, extendable. This duration is 1 year and after that it can be extendable, depend upon your performance. Tagalog language is required and requirement must have experience in sales, cashier, merchandiser. Experience from FMCG industry is preferred. If interested, kindly share your profile to the given email address. Two vacancies are available, Operation Manager and Food and Beverage Manager. Location is Abu Dhabi, company name Al Ghazal Gulf Club. We are welcoming talented and professionals. Be part of our growing team. If you have managerial or operation manager experience and you are available on visit visa or cancel visa or you want to change your job, you can send CV to the given email address. Collection specialist job is available. Location is Dubai. Requirement: previous call center work experience in collection, 2+ year outbound collection experience. Bank experience, US banks experience is A+. Excellent knowledge of collection processes, excellent verbal communication and people skills. Outstanding phone etiquette, proficient computer skills, proficient mathematical skills, resilient with impolite client. Should be available in UAE, immediate joining. If you are on visit visa, cancel visa, you can apply. Compensation package 5000 dirham plus incentive. You can send your CV to the given email address with the subject line application for collection specialist and apply now before the position gets filled. Do not apply if you are not in UAE and do not have fluent American English. My friend, if you have been sent your CV to the given email address, it is not enough. For further you have to make a route plan to drop your CV physically. It's very compulsory and it's depend upon your location where you are locating. You have to start from one side to another side. Suppose you have been applied for 6 jobs and you have to make a route plan. You are going to start from last point, then you will come next point like this, and at the end you will drop your CV to the first point. So keep in mind that you are going to drop your same CV which you have been sent to the email address. And for this one you have to know how to make your CV in mobile phone. For this you can watch complete video in same YouTube channel. And also if you are going to drop your CV, you can ask any question, any information when you are going to hiring, or this hiring is closed or still you are hiring, and when interview is scheduled. And also you can subscribe my channel to related information. I will also share this information, and for any query you can ask in comment section. I will help you. A finance assistant or receiving clerk vacancy is available. Salary is 3000. Job location Raffles the Palm Hotel. Duration 2 months, preferably at least 1 year experience in clerical or office administration. Job detail: receiving or checking posting of all delivery transactions, encoding, updating positive posting transactions using a hotel procurement system, coordinating with the respective hotel departments pertaining to all orders and deliveries, sorting, filling, organizing of invoices and other documents in the finance office. Adept in computer, preferably in Excel skill, good interperson and communication skills. If you have related experience and you are on visit visa, cancel visa, or you want to apply, you have remaining period and you are ready to join this job, you can send CV to the given email address. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video. You can check in playlist. And also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center, but now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same. Just experience in and description, and the other things skills you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this like this. This is a first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist you can watch there. And daily update about new jobs. I am posting jobs, so you have to subscribe this channel, so you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also have created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the video related to the job post. Thank you. A agent is looking for some positions. Salary 1000 dirham, hypermarket in Dubai, plus room and food is provided. This is newly opening, and this is urgent based jobs. Indians 10, Nepalis 10, Sri Lankan 10, African 10. Hypermarket salesman. You can check with the given WhatsApp number. An admin assistant vacancy is available. We are looking for admin assistant, experience not less than 2 years in UAE. The location for this job is Musafa, Abu Dhabi. Candidates shall send their resume to the given email address if you have related experience, and you are available on visit visa or cancel visa for immediate joining.